現在のマシン修理費ランキング。ラスベガス GP までのドライバーごとの修理費ランキングが話題に。
Flag as well because it's this.
Yeah, exactly as I thought. It's just gone over curb, spun him round and slapped the car into the left-hand side.
It's what sends him into the barriers.
I think it's turn 8 where we saw George Russell having the problem. It is indeed on turn in, it's a bit wet, and bang.
This is turn 5.
Oh, it's a big shunt. He just got wide.
Yeah. And no grip on that AstroTurf.
Did something happen? Sorry.
He just got a little bit.
This time he gets there, he locks up and he makes contact with his old rival.
ウィリアムズの修理費は想像を超えているね。そうだね、チーム再建中の彼らにとってはとても痛手だ。トラピットはテストレースでサージェントの修理費に追いついた。
I think that Hülkenberg was another to struggle to stop at the first turn. The rear of his passenger as the car studied into the protective barriers briefly.
壊れた車で公開されている費用を使って憶測で計算しては公にならないと思うよ。ウィリアムズがデストラクター選手権でコンストラクタータイトルの獲得に復帰した。